Mastering additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing facilities that can't prove their effectiveness are just wasting money. Where can one find the key financial metrics used to measure the level of operational excellence achieved in an additive manufacturing (AM) facility, such as return on investment, cost savings, or productivity improvements, that demonstrate its effectiveness in optimizing AM operations? In the realm of additive manufacturing (AM), achieving operational excellence is crucial for unlocking the full potential of this innovative production method. To measure the level of operational excellence in an AM facility, key financial metrics play a vital role in evaluating the effectiveness of optimization efforts. These metrics can be sourced from various areas, including 1. Financial reports. Regular financial reports, such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, provide valuable insights into the financial performance of the AM facility. Key metrics like return on investment, ROI, return on assets, ROA, and return on equity, ROE, can be extracted from these reports to assess the facility's financial health and operational efficiency. 2. Performance dashboards. Many AM facilities employ performance dashboards or scorecards to track key performance indicators, KPIs, in real time. These dashboards often display metrics like overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, production yield, and lead time, which can be used to evaluate operational excellence. 3. Cost accounting systems. A well-implemented cost accounting system can provide detailed information on cost savings, material consumption, and labor productivity. By analyzing these metrics, facility managers can identify areas for improvement and optimize resource allocation. 4. Manufacturing Execution Systems, MES. MES software integrates with AM equipment to collect data on production processes, enabling the tracking of metrics like production volumes, yield rates, and equipment utilization. This data can be used to identify bottlenecks and optimize production workflows. 5. Quality Management Systems. A quality management system, QMS, helps monitor and control production quality, ensuring that AM parts meet customer requirements. Metrics like first-pass yield, defect density, and customer satisfaction ratings can be used to assess the effectiveness of quality control measures. 6. Lean Manufacturing Assessments. Regular lean manufacturing assessments can identify areas of waste and inefficiency in the production process. By tracking metrics like value-added ratio, value stream productivity, and waste reduction, facility managers can measure the effectiveness of lean initiatives. 7. Supply Chain Optimization Tools. Supply chain optimization tools can provide insights into inventory turnover, supplier performance, and logistics efficiency. By analyzing these metrics, facility managers can identify opportunities to streamline the supply chain and reduce costs. 8. Energy and Utilities Monitoring Systems. Monitoring energy consumption, water usage, and waste management can help facilities reduce their environmental footprint and optimize resource utilization. 9. Employee Feedback and Engagement. Regular employee feedback and engagement surveys can provide insights into workforce productivity, training effectiveness, and job satisfaction. By tracking these metrics, facility managers can identify opportunities to improve workforce efficiency and morale. 10. Industry Benchmarks and Benchmarks Reports. Industry benchmarks and benchmarks reports, such as those provided by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, can offer valuable insights into best practices and performance benchmarks for AM facilities. Some specific financial metrics used to measure operational excellence in AM facilities include Return on Investment, ROI, calculated by dividing the net gain by the cost of investment. ROI measures the return on investment in AM equipment, training, and process optimization initiatives. Cost Savings, calculated by subtracting the current cost from the baseline cost. Cost savings metrics help evaluate the effectiveness of cost reduction initiatives. Productivity improvements, measured by tracking the increase in production volume, lead time reduction, or equipment utilization rate. Productivity improvements indicate the effectiveness of process optimization efforts. Yield rate improvement, calculated by dividing the number of good parts by the total number of parts produced. Yield rate improvement metrics track the effectiveness of quality control measures. Lead time reduction, measured by tracking the reduction in production lead time. This metric evaluates the effectiveness of workflow optimizations and supply chain improvements. By monitoring and analyzing these key financial metrics, AM facility managers can gain insights into operational excellence and make data-driven decisions to optimize production workflows, reduce costs, and improve productivity.